Introducing the HWQP-1500 chicken breast leg neck skinning machine by HW Machinery, designed for speed, hygiene, and precision in poultry and meat processing lines. Made from 300 for stainless steel with automatic feeding and dual conveyors. Handles chicken, duck, and pork, perfect for slaughterhouses and food factories. Delivers over 1,500 kilograms per hour with 98% skin removal efficiency. The skinning process is smooth, damage-free, and easy to maintain. Waterproof design, safe operation, and automatic power cut protection. A reliable high-output solution trusted by processors worldwide. HW Machinery since 1984. Your partner in food processing and slaughter solutions.